Hey everyone, it's your friend from Old Family Remedies. We're all about embracing those time-tested natural solutions that have been passed down through generations. And today we're diving deep into the treasure chest of home remedies. We're talking about those simple yet effective remedies using ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. We'll explore the science behind them, how to use them safely and effectively, and what makes them so powerful. So stick around and let's unlock the power of nature together. All right, let's talk sore throats. We've all been there, that scratchy, painful feeling that makes you wince with every swallow. But before you reach for the over-the-counter meds, let me introduce you to your new best friend, honey. Honey has been used for centuries to soothe sore throats, and for good reason. It's packed with antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help fight off infections. Plus, it coats and soothes the throat, providing instant relief from that irritating scratchiness. Think of it as a warm hug for your throat. But not just any honey will do. Look for raw, unprocessed honey, as it retains all the good stuff. Now, how to use it? You can add a spoonful to a cup of warm water or tea. Chamomile and ginger are great options for sore throats, or simply enjoy a spoonful of honey on its own. Remember, guys, honey is a natural sweetener. So it's best to consume it in moderation, especially if you have any blood sugar concerns, and never give honey to children under 1 year old due to the risk of infant botulism. For most of us, though, honey is a safe and effective way to kick that sore throat to the curb. Nausea, that queasy, unsettling feeling in your stomach, can really throw a wrench into your day. But fear not, because we've got ginger to the rescue. This unassuming root has been a go-to for nausea for centuries, and modern science backs up its effectiveness. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which have powerful anti-nausea properties. They work by calming the stomach muscles and blocking certain nerve pathways that send nausea signals to the brain. The best part, ginger is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it in so many ways. Feeling nauseous? Try sipping on some ginger tea. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger into hot water and let it steep for a few minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor and soothing benefits. Feeling up to eating? Ginger chews or candies are a great option to have on hand for quick relief. And if you're cooking, don't hesitate to add fresh ginger to your recipes. Remember, while ginger is generally safe, it's always a good idea to start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. If you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant, it's best to check with your doctor before using ginger medicinally. Let's talk digestion, that intricate process that breaks down the food we eat. When our digestion is off, it can lead to bloating, discomfort, and a whole host of other issues. But what if I told you that a simple pantry staple could help get things moving? Enter apple cider vinegar, or ACV, as it's often called. Now, when we talk about ACV for digestion, we're talking about the raw, unfiltered kind that contains the mother. The mother is a cloudy substance made up of beneficial bacteria and enzymes that give ACV its digestive superpowers. So, how does it work? ACV is thought to stimulate the production of stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down food. It can also help balance the pH levels in your gut, creating a more hospitable environment for good bacteria to thrive. The key to using ACV for digestion is dilution. Never drink it straight. Instead, mix a tablespoon or two into a glass of water and drink it before meals. You can also add it to salad dressings or marinades. Remember, while ACV is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to start with a small amount and see how your body tolerates it. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's best to consult with your doctor before adding ACV to your routine. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot these days, and for good reason. Inflammation is our body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic, low-grade inflammation can be detrimental to our health. The good news is that we can fight back against inflammation with the help of nature's golden warrior, turmeric. This vibrant spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin works its magic by blocking certain pathways in the body that lead to inflammation, and it's not just effective for temporary inflammation. Studies have shown that curcumin can help manage chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Now, how can you incorporate more turmeric into your life? Well, adding it to your cooking is a great start. Turmeric gives curries, soups and stews a beautiful golden hue and a warm, earthy flavor. To boost curcumin's bioavailability, combine it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin. You can also find turmeric in supplement form, but as always, it's best to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. Headaches, those throbbing, pounding sensations can really derail your day. But before you reach for the pain relievers, let me introduce you to a natural headache reliever, peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, a compound known for its cooling and soothing properties. When applied topically or inhaled, menthol creates a cooling sensation that can help relax muscles and alleviate headache pain. It's like a refreshing breeze for your head. There are a few ways you can use peppermint for headache relief. One of the simplest is to apply a few drops of peppermint essential oil to your temples, forehead, and back of your neck. Feeling congested? Inhaling peppermint steam can work wonders. Simply add a few drops of peppermint oil to a bowl of hot water, drape a towel over your head, and inhale the steam for a few minutes. You can also enjoy peppermint tea for headache relief. Steep a peppermint tea bag in hot water for a few minutes and enjoy. Remember, essential oils are potent, so always dilute them in a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil before applying them to your skin. Our skin, it's our largest organ, and it deserves all the love and care we can give it. And when it comes to natural skin soothers, aloe vera reigns supreme. This succulent plant has been used for centuries to treat various skin ailments from burns to acne. So what makes aloe vera such a skin superhero? It's all thanks to its gel, which is packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Aloe vera gel is incredibly soothing and hydrating, making it a godsend for dry, irritated, or sunburned skin. You can apply aloe vera gel directly to minor burns, cuts, scrapes, and sunburns to soothe inflammation and promote healing. It's also great for moisturizing dry skin. Apply a thin layer to your face or body after showering or bathing. Dealing with acne, aloe vera's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help calm breakouts and reduce redness. You can purchase aloe vera gel at most drugstores or health food stores, but nothing beats using fresh aloe vera straight from the plant. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, simply break off a leaf and extract the gel. Remember, while aloe vera is generally safe for topical use, it's always a good idea to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying it to a larger area, especially if you have sensitive skin. So there you have it, folks. 6 incredible home remedies using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. It's amazing how powerful nature can be in keeping us healthy and feeling our best. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement, not replace, professional medical advice. If you have any concerns about your health, always consult with your doctor. If you enjoyed learning about these home remedies, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those home remedies handy.